Ever wondered how vast India really is? Let's dive into its geographical wonders in just 60 seconds. Did you know India sits proudly in both the northern and eastern hemispheres? Spanning latitudes from 8 degrees north to a chilly 37 degrees north, and longitudes from a sunny 68 degrees east to a whopping 97 degrees east, this giant stretches over 3.28 million square kilometers. That's about 2.4% of the Earth's total surface area. Now imagine this. India is the world's 7th largest country. It's outranked only by giants like Russia, Canada, and the USA. With a land boundary of around 15,200 kilometers, India is a majestic tapestry woven with diverse terrains. From the breathtaking Himalayas in the north to the vast peninsular plateau, the sun-kissed coastal plains to the mystic Thar Desert, and not forgetting the picturesque islands, each corner tells a unique story. It's a land of contrasts where ancient meets modern and nature meets adventure. So whether you're a geography buff or just curious, India's vast landscapes and rich geography are sure to amaze you.